If you're looking for a practical way to earn extra income without starting from zero, the truth is this: you already have everything you need. Your skills, the ones you use every day, can be turned into real money. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to do that, even if you think your skills are nothing special. By the end of this video, you'll know what your most valuable skill is, how to package it, how much to charge, and where to find clients or customers. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly Smart Money 101 videos that help you take control of your finances and build more income streams. Let's begin. Most people mistakenly believe that making extra income requires starting a business, learning something new, or building an audience. But the truth is, your skills are more valuable than you think. Skills like writing, cooking, organizing, tutoring, translating, designing, fixing things, or even just explaining ideas clearly, all of these can be turned into income when positioned the right way. The first step is identifying what skill you naturally use that others find helpful. Think about what friends or coworkers come to you for advice about. That's usually your most monetizable skill. Once you've identified your skill, the next step is packaging it. Packaging simply means turning your skill into something people can buy. For example, if you're good at writing, you can package that into resume writing, email writing, or creating LinkedIn profiles. If you're good at fitness, you can create simple workout plans. If you're great at organizing, you can offer home or office organization services. Your goal is to define your skill in one clear sentence that tells people exactly what they'll get. The clearer the package, the easier it is to sell. Many people make the mistake of trying to offer too many things at once. Instead, create one simple offer. For example, "I'll help you organize your kitchen in 2 hours," or "I'll tutor your child in math twice a week," or "I'll create your new resume in 48 hours. Simple offers sell faster because people know exactly what they are paying for. Now let's talk about pricing. Pricing is one of the biggest obstacles people face when trying to earn extra income. Most undercharge because they don't think their skills are worth much. But remember, you are not charging for the hours you work. You are charging for the value you create. A resume that helps someone get a job is worth far more than the 2 hours you spent writing it. A well-organized home can save someone hours of stress every week. Good tutoring can improve a child's grades and confidence. When you price your skill, always think about the result the customer receives, not the time you put in. A good starting point is simple: research what others in your area are charging. Then position yourself slightly below the average if you're just starting out. As you gain experience, raise your prices gradually. Your confidence will grow with every client you help. Now it's time to talk about where to find your first customers. This is usually the scariest part, but also the simplest. Start with your circle: friends, family, coworkers, neighbors. You don't need to sell them anything, just let them know you're offering a service. For example, "Hey, I'm helping people organize their homes now," or "I'm offering Spanish tutoring on weekends." You'd be surprised at how many people around you need help. If you want to reach people outside your circle, use platforms designed for beginners. For example, Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, Tutor.com, and local Facebook groups. These platforms already have clients looking for skills like the ones you have. You don't need to build a website or a social media following. Just create a clean profile that clearly explains what you offer. Next, let's talk about building trust. In today's world, people buy trust, not services. The easiest way to build trust is by collecting reviews or testimonials. After you help your first clients, always ask them for feedback. A simple, honest review can double your chances of getting the next customer. You don't need fancy branding. You don't need professional photos. You just need other people confirming that you deliver results. At this point in the process, you're ready to start increasing your income steadily. The key is to focus on consistency. The more clients you help, the better you become. The better you become, the more you can charge. And the more you charge, the faster your extra income adds up. This is how ordinary people quietly build powerful income streams. If you're getting value from this video, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps us reach more people who want to improve their finances and build more income streams. Now let's continue with a crucial point that most people miss. Your skill can be used in multiple ways. Let's say your skill is cooking. You can offer meal prep services, create cooking guides, host small classes, or offer personalized grocery lists. If your skill is writing, you can write resumes, edit essays, create blog posts, or help small businesses with their websites. If your skill is tutoring, you can create educational videos, online worksheets, or private coaching sessions. One single skill can create 5 or more different income streams once you understand how to package it. Another important strategy is to improve your skill while using it. You don't need to be the best in the world to start. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. Over time, as you practice, your skill naturally improves. And as it improves, you can increase your prices or expand your services. Growth happens automatically when you start. Let's take it a step further. Once you've helped several people and gained momentum, you can create a digital product. A digital product is something you create once and sell many times. For example, a mini course, a guide, templates, checklists, or a simple ebook. These products don't require much effort once they're created, and they can generate passive income. You don't need to be a tech expert. Simple tools can help you create and sell digital products with ease. Another smart way to expand your income is by partnering with others. For example, if your skill is fitness, you can collaborate with a nutritionist. If your skill is writing, you can collaborate with a graphic designer. If your skill is organizing, you can partner with cleaning services. Partnerships allow you to reach more people and offer more value without doing everything yourself. Now let's talk about a mindset shift that will determine your success. Treat your skill like a mini business. You don't need to register a company or build a brand, but start thinking like someone who provides value. Show up consistently. Be reliable. Deliver high quality. Communicate clearly. When you do these things, clients will recommend you to others. Word of mouth is the most powerful marketing system in the world, and it's free. Another important tip is to set a simple monthly income goal. For example, I want to earn an extra $200 this month, or I want to earn an extra $500. Having a clear goal helps you stay focused and motivated. Once you hit your goal consistently, increase it. Small steps add up over time, and before you know it, you'll have built a strong side income that supports your life. Finally, remember this. Earning extra income isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Your skills already have value. People are looking for someone with exactly what you know how to do. All you have to do is make your skill available in a clear, simple way. The more action you take, the more opportunities appear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Your support helps us grow and continue bringing you Smart Money 101 content designed to help you build a stronger financial future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.